Well, it was a disappointing end to a prolonged session. The country watched in shock as the Rajya Sabha came to a chaotic end. The session was followed by an angry opposition hitting out at the government, claiming that the entire debate was choreographed. With no consensus reached, the fate of the Lokpal bill is completely uncertain.
The BJP MPs venting their anger after the Rajya Sabha debate on the Lokpal bill was adjourned without a vote, accusing the government of having run away from the house.
ये पहले मुझे मालूम है, दोपहर में हमने सबको बताया ये होने वाले हैं। ये पहले से उन्होंने साजिश करके ये नाटक करवाया और भाग गए, अंत में डरपोक लोग हैं।
The BJP's leader in the Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, launching a scathing attack on the government, even going on to demand its resignation.
It's both a political and a moral defeat for this government. जो सरकार वोट से भागती हो, उस सरकार को सत्ता में बने रहने का एक मिनट भी अधिकार नहीं है और इसलिए इस सरकार को तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
But the Congress hitting right back, laying the blame for the Lokpal bill's fate on the BJP.
The discussion went on in the House for more than 11 hours. After that, when I started replying, we did not disturb any of them, but they started disturbing my speech, give reply to all the points raised by them. Apart from that, when the amendments were given by various political parties, the government has to apply its mind, because when 187 amendments have been given, you see the game plan of the BJP in the House. There are 11 bills which are pending for consideration in the Rajya Sabha, simply because these people are having this BJP because of their voice. The BJP wants to make it as an issue.
The debate on the Lokpal bill ended without any conclusion, now turning into a blame game between the Congress and the opposition.
आज जब चर्चा शुरू हुई समय पर, उस समय पर लंच टाइम तक तो ठोका जा रहा था लोगों को कि समय की पाबंदी रखिएगा। उसके बाद सबको इजाजत दी जा रही थी कि जितना चाहे वो बोले। तो ये स्पष्ट था कि वो इस बहस को आगे चलाना चाहते थे बिना कोई निर्णय के।
On the back foot, but the Congress still trying to defend the chaos in the upper house.
समय सीमा भी बहुत बड़ी समस्या थी। 187 संशोधन थे, 187, उनको इस समय नहीं लिया जा सकता था। लेकिन जो कुछ भी हुआ, मैंने जैसा कि पहले कहा, वो थोड़ा सा तकलीफ की बात है, लेकिन अगर विपक्ष का रुख थोड़ा सहयोगात्मक रहा होता तो शायद ये बिल पास हो सकता।
The government coming under attack from all corners, being accused of having run away from a battle the opposition says it was sure to lose. Bureau Report, Times Now.